Assalamu alaikum. Read the following sentences carefully, then use the underlined words in sentences. There are 4 sentences, so let's start. Read. Don't give up your music lesson. So, underlined word is give up. Give up. You have to make sentences the underlined word give up. And next one is hold on. Hold on tight to your kite string. Hold on tight to your kite string. And see the sentence number 3. Don't laugh at accidents. Don't laugh at accidents. Underline word is laugh at. G word is silent. Don't take away her pencil. Don't take away her pencil. So I've prepared and I have been make sentences, the underlined words on the next page. So first word is give up. First word is give up. Never give up your hard work. Never give up your hard work. Hold on. Keep your girl. Hold on. Keep your girl. Hold on. Laugh at. Don't laugh at poors. Don't laugh at poors. Take away. You can take away your lunch. You can take away your pencil. You can take away your notebook, etc.